to make flaxseed hair gel naturally at home. To make flaxseed hair gel, you will need 1/4 cup of flax seeds, 2 cups of filtered water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Here's the 4-step procedure to prepare flaxseed hair gel. Boil the water and flax seeds in a pot until the liquid starts to thicken. Add the lemon juice and stir the liquid. Turn off the heat once the liquid reaches a gel-like consistency. Set it aside to cool. Strain and collect this gel in a jar. How to use flaxseed hair gel. Use it to style your hair every morning. You can also use it as a topical treatment for your scalp to boost hair growth. How flaxseed hair gel helps the hair. Flaxseed gel offers the perfect balance of moisture and definition. This natural hair gel does not leave product buildup in your hair and boosts hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.